Hi friends. So today we are going to start how to remove an object from the any image. So before we start that, I request you to please subscribe my channel. It's help a lot and it's motivate us to make a new video like that. If you want anything from me, then just let us know on the comment. So I will improve that. So let's start. So for that, firstly, what we have to do, we have to open any image. So I will open this image, and what I'm just going to do from here, I'm just going to remove this person from the image. So let's start. So we have some tools. So what we have to do, we have to use patch tool for this. As you can see here, we have the direct shortcut for the J, or we can directly click here and get the patch tool. So very first thing, I will make it big. So for make a zoom in, zoom out, what we have to do, we have to use control and space. So it's a zoom. If we use alt space, then it's out. So we are making a zoom in and we can see this person, the entire screen. Now by select this tool, what we have to do, we have to make one mark over this person. I will do it again like this. So now you can see very carefully I'm just dragging and making uh, one layer over that picture from this person, and that's it. Now this area is selected. So what we have to do with this area, just drag this area to the similar section. So you can see now I drag to the similar section here. You see now the person has completely removed. Now some minor places you can see it looks some blur. So again select that particular area and just drag to other one. So now you can see. So in this way we can directly remove it, and now you can see the person is totally removed. It's not catchable that the person is there. Similarly, we can do it with the other section, or if we need to remove something, just simply select and drag. So this is the very simple way that we can do it. So if you have any doubt, just let us know. I will definitely try to solve your problem. And thank you. At last, again, request you to please subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubt, any comment, anything, just let us know over the comments. I will try to improve, or I can create a video over that. Thank you. Bye.